Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can equip the walk and idle poses in the DTI winter update. So the DTI winter update brought an amazing new features. Now you can customize your walk and idle poses both in the dressing room and the runway. So first, if you guys didn't know, now the pose menu is moved into the dressing room, right inside the dressing room. So when you go to the dressing room in here, you'll see this button to change your pose or walk. In here you can just, if you want to equip, you can just here click on these equip walk. For example, this is a new one, the Ascading walk pack. And if you want to also equip the idle, you can just click on this one in here. And to finish, you can go out from the dressing room and you finally get the new walk or idle pose that you want. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.